In the world of mathematics, there is a fascinating relationship between the sine and cosine functions. Let's explore the equation that connects them. Sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. To understand this equation better, let's break it down. The sine function represents the ratio of the length of the side opposite an angle to the length of the hypotenuse in a right triangle. The cosine function represents the ratio of the length of the adjacent side to the length of the hypotenuse. When we square the sine and cosine functions and add them together, something remarkable happens. The sum of their squares is always equal to 1. This relationship holds true for any angle, from 0 to 360 degrees. This equation has profound implications in various fields of science and engineering. It is used in physics to describe the motion of pendulums, waves, and oscillations. It also plays a crucial role in electrical engineering,